Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be demonstrating how to change the lead status in your HubSpot CRM system. So once you log into your HubSpot CRM system, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now from here you want to go to the cog in the top right hand corner, but do ensure you have administrative permissions. So I'll press the cog, and then from here we want to go to data management and then to properties. Now as you can see that we've got the contact property selected. However, if the object is different, all you need to do is use this drop down menu to change the object accordingly. But I'll leave it as is because this is the property we want to be working on, or the object we want to be working on. And then as you can see here, we've got all the various properties inside of that particular object. Now in order to find the lead status property, I'd recommend using the search bar on the right hand side and just search lead status. And as you can see here, the lead status property has loaded. And in order to make any changes to it, we just need to press the lead status button and the edit property window will open. Now, if we would like to add a new property, all we need to do is if we'd like to add a new option inside of that property, we just need to press the add an option button, and then we can enter the label by giving it a name. So give it a name according to what suits your business. And of course you can edit this entire property to suit your business and your business processes. So I'm going to change it to test just as an example, and then the internal value will update automatically. Now I wouldn't recommend changing any names, but instead adding and removing different options. So if you'd like to remove an option, just select that particular option and then just press the delete button. Now you can also clear all of your options if you so wish, and then you can start from scratch and build up the options that match your business and your business processes. And once you've done all this, all you just need to do is press the save button and this will go live to your system. And that is how to update the lead status in your HubSpot CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained how to change the lead status in your HubSpot CRM system. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.